Hello, today we'll talk about the chapter 5, its name, ether and epoxide. Um, uh, we find first a classification of ether, then epoxide, then we'll talk about preparation of ether and preparation of epoxide, um, uh, chemical reaction of ether, have a difference between alcohol and ether, uh, mm, and difference between diethyl ether, ethanol and methanol. Let's do it. It's page 252 to 61. Let's find the chapter. This is the first page of this chapter. This is the classification of ether. Ether, number one, aliphatic ether, crown ether, aromatic ether. This is chakric hypoxide বা chakric ether, ethoxide. This is the definition of epoxide. Epoxide 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 ethylene oxide 1,2 epoxide epichloroxide. Physical properties of ether. This is ether's level. The physical properties of expertise. Preparation of ether from alcohol. This is the theory where we find ether from alcohol. This is the ethanol plus this is also ethanol, sulfuric acid and 140 degrees Celsius heat, and we find diethyl ether and H2O, means water. Preparation, and this is the preparation of epoxide. Ethylene plus oxygen, silver, 250 degrees Celsius heat, and then we find ethynyl oxide. This is the a symbol of ethynyl oxide. And number 2, ethynyl plus per acetic acid, and then we find ethynyl oxide, and this is the symbol of ethynyl oxide. And the next part is Williams synthesis. This is the definition, and this is the chemical reaction. Sodium alkoxide. This is sodium alkoxide, sodium halide. This is this reaction name is SN2 reaction, and then we find ether and sodium halide, ether and sodium halide.